95% of altcoins will go to zero, but a small number will deliver life-changing returns. The difference between winning and losing is not luck. It is knowing exactly what to look for before you buy. Today, I am going to show you the precise framework serious crypto investors use to separate real projects from expensive mistakes. First, what is an altcoin? Any cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin is an altcoin. That includes Ethereum, Solana, Chainlink, and thousands of others. Some are built on genuine technology solving real problems. Most are not. Your job as an investor is to tell them apart before your money is at stake. Step 1. Check the use case. Does this coin actually solve a real problem? Can you explain in one sentence what it does and why anyone needs it? If you cannot, that is your first red flag. Hype is not a use case. A white paper full of buzzwords is not a use case. A clear, working product is. Step 2. Check the team. Who is building this? Are the founders named and publicly known? Do they have a verifiable track record in technology or finance? Anonymous teams are not automatically bad, but they carry significantly higher risk. Look for LinkedIn profiles, GitHub activity, and previous projects. Step 3. Check tokenomics. How many coins exist in total? How many are already in circulation? Who holds the majority? If the team or early investors hold 40, 50, or 60% of the supply, they can dump on you the moment price rises. Always check the token distribution before buying. Step 4. Check liquidity and trading volume. A coin with low daily volume is dangerous. If you cannot sell quickly when you need to, you are trapped. Always check 24-hour trading volume on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. As a general rule, avoid coins with less than $1 million in daily volume. Step 5. Check the roadmap and development activity. Is the team actually building? Go to GitHub and check how frequently the code is being updated. A project with no development activity in 6 months is a serious warning sign. Real projects ship updates. Dead projects go quiet. Now, the red flags. Guaranteed returns promised by the project. Instant red flag. Celebrities or influencers being paid to promote it. Red flag. Pressure to buy before a deadline. Red flag. No clear use case, no named team, no working product. Red flag. If you see 2 or more of these together, walk away. Where to research before you buy. CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap for market data and tokenomics. The project's official white paper for the use case. GitHub for development activity. Twitter and Discord for community health. Never rely on YouTube comments or Telegram groups as your primary research source. A practical checklist before buying any altcoin. 1. Can I explain what it does in one sentence? 2. Is the team publicly known? 3. Is token distribution fair? 4. Is there real trading volume? 5. Is development actively happening? 6. Have I found it through my own research, not someone else's tip? If you cannot answer yes to all 6, do not buy. Position sizing matters as much as coin selection. Even the best altcoin carries significant risk. Never put more than 5 to 10% of your total crypto portfolio into a single altcoin. Keep Bitcoin and Ethereum as your core. Altcoins are the high-risk, high-reward layer, not the foundation. Spotting a good altcoin is a skill, and like any skill, it gets sharper with practice. Use the checklist every single time. One good decision made with discipline is worth more than 10 rushed bets made on hype. If you found this useful, please subscribe to my channel for one money tip every day. The link to a related video is in the description.